So I'm just going to quickly put the cauliflowers into hot water. Just add a little salt. Turn off the stove. So I'm just going to keep it in the water for about a minute or two, and then I will be removing these florets. Just going to season these florets with some salt, pepper. Give it a quick toss. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 to 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or Maida. Just coat the vegetable. I'm just going to add a little water to make this into a batter. The florets are coated well. You can see it's not a very thick batter. It's just coating the florets perfectly. Take the battered cauliflowers, roll it into the breadcrumbs and deep fry them. When the florets are nice golden brown in color, remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Take a wide saucepan, pour some oil into it. So now we're going to stir fry a few ingredients, starting with some chopped garlic, chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are transparent, half teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 cup of sweet chili sauce. Reduce the flame, add the cauliflowers into the pan and give it a quick stir. Make sure the sauce coats the fried florets completely. This is the final garnish. Sesame seeds. Cut the cauliflower into small florets. Take a little water in a pot, bring it to a boil. Just going to add the cauliflowers into the hot water. So add a little salt. We're just going to boil this for about 2 minutes. Turn off the stove. Let the cauliflowers be in the hot water for about 2 minutes and then we can strain it. For the batter, I'm using 1/4 cup of yogurt or curd. Season it with a little salt, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, add some freshly grounded pepper, add 3 teaspoons of flour, that is all-purpose flour or Maida, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. So you can use any hot sauce that is available for you. Mix everything together. Dip it in the batter. Roll it in breadcrumbs and fry. Fry it till they are golden brown in color. Now the florets have to be placed in hot water for about 2 minutes and strained. So keep that aside. That's your first step. The second step is to make the batter. Gram flour or besan, Maida or all-purpose flour, corn flour, turmeric powder, chilli powder, about 2 teaspoons, salt and KESAR powder to give you that extra color, just a pinch, ginger garlic paste. So just mix all these ingredients. Gradually incorporate the water, juice of 1 lemon. This is the consistency that you're looking for, a nice dropping consistency. It shouldn't be too runny. Now add the florets to this batter. Make sure you coat it nicely. Marinate the florets in the batter for about 10 minutes before frying. The next step is to deep fry them. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.